Early bird gets the worm. It is not even 5 o'clock in the morning yet. Woke up about 30 minutes ago, packed up my stuff, and I am on the road to Lake Chickamauga. So now it's just basically 2 hours to get there. We're meeting at the hotel. Alex is gonna drop his boat off at the hotel. Scott and I are gonna load up Scott's yaks. He's brought some Bonafides for us to use, and gonna go do some fishing. Yeah, ready to do it, ready to get this day going. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? We are out on the beautiful Lake Chickamauga. We are in, I think it's Sail Creek right now. Fog just rolled off the water. I'm out here with Scott over there. We got Alex Rudd and Tim Perkins. We're rolling the color crew here. This is what Alex has got rigged up right now. We got Scott's
noise in the background.
Scott's
Video
custom.
terrible.
What was that?
Noise in the background. Terrible video. Cut.
There's your intro to Scott. Alex is right there. And we got Tim up there cheating with the torpedo.
When I saw him, he come up under the bait, and I twitched it a couple quick times, and when I did, he dropped down out of sight and come up and hit it like a shark hits a seal. But absolutely wicked. That's fun right there.
You said the wake bait was going to get it done.
I'm telling you, man, next time it's just gonna have to be an 8-pounder. Get out here, bud.
Off he goes. There's fish in these waters. It's crazy. Who would have thought? That was Scott's first question. He's like, wait, something's coming out of the water. This is pretty though.
It's gorgeous scenery.
Yeah.
Wish the fish were hitting harder.
Oh my God, this is stupid pretty.
Timer on that thing?
Yep.
Power source on there. There is. Yeah.
Natural lane bridge.
Little update for you guys. We took the Torpedo ride all the way back into above where we put in. So went upstream for a ways, came back down, moved spots, shot up here. We're now in this big open flat, fishing this rock wall here. And so far, no luck here for me. I don't think Alex caught one here, but I saw Tim catch at least one, maybe two. We're getting ready to wrap things up though. We're gonna probably call it a day here soon. Head over back to the ramp, take out, and go get some food. I'm starving. So that's gonna be a wrap here for the kayak day of our Lake Chickamauga adventure. Ended up blanking for the day. You know, it happens. Alex caught a couple of nice fish. Tim caught some fish. Scott and I could not get it done, but we will get it done tomorrow. The plan for tomorrow is going to be we're hopping in boats. I'll probably be fishing with Alex, and we're going to be doing some heavy cranking, so should be a pretty exciting day. Can't complain though. Got out in the kayaks, beautiful day. Weather was nice. Didn't get rained on or anything, so overall, definitely a win. Make sure you guys are checking out the link for this trip below in the description. That's going to give you all the spots that I fished, all the places that the other guys caught fish. And yeah, at least you guys will learn something from it, because I sure did. So make sure you guys are staying up to date with videos. Check out tomorrow's video. Should be a good one with Fluke Master. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.